Good evening, everybody. Alrighty, tonight we're going to go ahead and put the Modern Warfare 3 Xbox 360 controller together. I went ahead and used the round end of an X-Acto handle and burnished this to try to get it a little bit rounder again, and left it like that. I didn't try to bend these or anything like that as far as the scratches go, and I didn't realize this before I cleaned it, but there's also some scratches up here, so it is what it is. But at least I'll have a controller now, even if it doesn't work, because I haven't tried it, to go with the Modern Warfare 3 console that I have. Alright, so we have our bottom, we have our top, we have, this actually goes on the back here. Yeah, I think like this. It'll go back, yeah, it'll go back here. And then this one's the buttons on the front, on the top. So let's see, do I put this on first? No, I think I still put the board in. Okay, let's try putting the board in. This should be fun. No, don't ever try to do this stuff whenever you're cold either. I'm extremely cold and I'm like almost shaking. Or maybe I actually am shaking. Okay, so this has to fit on here somehow. So let's try that. They probably fit better. Yeah, they actually fit in here. So that'll be interesting. That's down, pins here. This fit here. Oh, that looks right. Let's see if we got a button. Yeah, that seems to work. Alrighty, then I guess this goes on the back. Yeah, it's cut out, so that would go down over here. I'll say this, I shouldn't wait so long in between disassembly and assembly on things, because it seems like it's taking longer. Well, I just don't remember. Ah, drat. Oh, really, drat. Okay, so this has to go in here. Great, and then you still go there. I wonder if I could put, well, there's, you know what, I bet you it's better if I put this on the top. Alright. Now you seem to be able to go down there, so hopefully that'll stay. So now let's put, the nice thing about the A, B, X, and Y buttons is that if you don't know how they go in, it's okay because they're keyed. So let's see. Now see, that'll fit down in there. X, X won't fit here. Oh no, I can't get it out. It won't fit here. So the only place it will fit is here. And you can't even get them backwards. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. You can't even get them backwards because they're keyed in such a way that they go in just right. Okay, so then B, let me see, where should I take a guess on that? And Y. There, okay, so those are all in. Now, let me see. Oh, no, yeah, you go across there. Now, these have the little arrows on it, and for an Xbox 360, it's kind of easy because I think these are the exact same part. Yep, because if you notice, the wide area is here, and the wide area is down there, so it's the same one for both, just flipped. So that makes that part easy. Okay, and then we get our contacts here, and this should go like that, like so. Then we got our new D controller here, and that I think just sits in there. Okay, and we got this is nice because there's also a key on here, so you can't put this on wrong really, and that way the connectors are, or the pads are where they need to be. Oh, I forgot one main. How about the Xbox? And it's also keyed, so don't worry about this. Although this one is actually, I think it's broken on this side here. There should probably be a key there. So let's see which way this goes. Yeah, there should be a small key there. Okay, so we got all that together. I wonder if I can set that. Yeah, I can set this down. And sorry, this is going to be kind of difficult to see because they're going to want to flop out, but alright, you're in. Yeah, see, there's a little wee piece broken right here. Alright, I think it's actually together. Ha! So we'll put some screws in here. And these screws are a security bit. It's a T, I don't know if you can read that. It's a T8 security. There, that should hold it together. Yep, everything turns. Let's see, we should, yep, that works. Sweet. Movement here, movement here. Now the one thing I'm not really going to be able to do is test it out tonight does seem to be going together pretty well. I'm not using a screwdriver, big handle screwdriver or anything, because you don't want to, go all animalistic on this and just strip out every single one of the screws. I just want to get it tight so that it stays together. And then the last one is under this label, the serial number label. I think that's the serial number label. I could be wrong. And one other thing I don't have is a battery cover for this. So that's something I should probably look at trying to get online, or maybe get a whole bunch of bad controllers and then be able to just use one of those. There. Okay, everything's back together. It's sturdy. And thank you for watching to completion. Even if it doesn't work, I'm not going to be taking it apart again for a while. Right now I just need it together for show, and it's complete, so that's good. I can put it out with my console now. So just remember that to take these controllers apart, you need a security T8, and I got this in a set, and this is no endorsement. I got this in a set from Harbor Freight. I can't remember how much. I think it was under 10 bucks whenever I bought it. I'm not sure how much they are now, though, with inflation the way it's going. But I just want to thank you for watching, and have a good night. And just think how much better this world would be if everyone would treat others the way they want to be treated. Good night.